Hi there, everyone. I welcome you all to week module 4 of English Composition 1. I'd like to go over what you need to be doing this week. First of all, there are a couple of videos that you should watch: steps for writing an opinion piece, how to write an essay, thesis statements, get you going on writing a thesis statement. Chapter 5 is also about writing a thesis statement, which you may have read that already, but go ahead and go back and reread that. What you're going to do this week is you're going to start talking about a problem that you have, and you're going to write an essay about that. So why am I so angry and what can I do about it? It's a problem solution argument. In this case, I'm suggesting that you write it about school. Some of you are still in high school. Some of you are here at Washington State only. Some of you are students between colleges, or maybe you're taking full-time course load at a different college, but you're taking, this one course here. So it can be any school that you're attending. But if you're having trouble thinking about something in terms of school, it's okay to choose. Maybe there's an organization you belong to that you have some issues with. Maybe it's your community, maybe it's your neighborhood. Maybe there's something going on in your church or something like that that bothers you, and you want to talk about it here. I'm fine with it not necessarily being about school. But this is giving you an idea of what to be thinking about. Your audience is going to be someone who has the power to make the change you seek. So you may or may not have your ideal audience in the classroom, but you're still trying to argue for these changes to be made. Make sure you're working to persuade your reader. You're not trying to this is not the persuasion of a small child throwing a tantrum until the authority figure gives in. You need to convince your audience that this change is in everyone's best interest, not just your own. So in other words, it's great to be passionate about what you want to see change, but try not to be too angry so that your reader doesn't take you seriously, right? You want to make sure that's the case. Feel the hate. I know you want to make sure you can get out everything that you dislike about this school-related problem or any problem that you're talking about in any organization. Find your focus, consider your audience choices, analyze your audience, make your case that a problem exists. So you want to make sure that your reader understands that it is in fact a problem that does need to be fixed. So you're going to go through all this draft, revise, edit. Again, you're not handing in a rough draft of this. You're just giving me the final draft, but I still would like to see that you have made efforts to submit the strongest essay possible. Be sure to give it a title. And this is going to be worth 100 points. Okay, so let's go back here. So read that over, take a look at that. And if you have any questions about this, again, use the questions about problem solution argument paper, leave your question there. And of course, I hope you continue to use the virtual coffee house and get to know your peers a little bit better. If you're also going to be talking about what your possible topics are. So you're going to go through here. I see somebody's already posted something. So you're going to go here. You're going to post what you think your topic's going to be about. 3 possible topics that you could consider writing about, and respond to at least 2 peers. I'd like this particular form to be due by Wednesday, because your peers are going to help you choose the best topic for this particular essay. And I'm going to pop in and respond to a few people. I may not be able to respond to everyone, but I'll do my best. So you're going to want to get some feedback from people about which topic might be the best one for you to go with. All right, that's all I have for you right now. But if you have any questions, you can send me an email through the inbox here, or you can send it to me through the through my regular email address. I really enjoy getting questions from, in this forum. But if you have something urgent and you need to know right away, the answer right away about something, and let me know what that is quicker, because it may be a couple of days before I get to your questions. So if you're having problems with the internet, don't ask me a question about that in this particular forum. Email me, let me know, because if I don't see that right away, then you may fall further behind as you're waiting to hear what I have to say. Okay, everyone, and don't forget to do the Module 4 survey. That really helps me know that everybody's understanding the concepts. All right, I hope you guys have a great week 4, and I look forward to reading your work.